So this morning's job is adding a new thermostat, and and let's not drop the thermostat. So these new air handlers that are going in here, this is what I just attached the other day. This ducting is going to come out, and it's going to have its own filtration system. This ducting is coming through the wall over here. That's being removed because it's going to come out here into a large plenum. This is being removed, and this makes a turn, and it's going to attach into the ducting right there. So there's going to be new ducting going into that ducting right there. And this is what it's going to look like. This is the outcome. So this is the exact same 5-ton air handler. There's a large evaporator in there, what you can see. And that is the evaporator. You look inside there. So it goes like that, and it's that. That's called the A coil. Compared to automotive, automotive is usually just a flat little rectangle or square evaporator. Well, that's two of them. It goes down, and they're all connected, and then it comes back that way. And that's why that is called a coil, because the shape goes like this, up and down. Whoops. Clean that. But that's an A coil. There's an N coil that goes like this, and there's also a W shape that goes like this, and the air enters like this. It's in a square box, and all the airflow goes in this direction. And this has an expansion valve. It can have a piston on it too, which is the equivalent in automotive of a orifice tube. And so that's going on right there. These are going to get a little, what do you say, MacGyvered. And I'm going to add some extra monitoring systems. There's going to be an extra freeze protection circuit that I'm adding to this, because I'm going to be dropping the coil down to the temperature within a degree or two of freezing. So I'm doing some special modifications on this, possibly changing the fan speed motor to bring the level of air flowing over the coil, instead of 450 CFM that is going over it now from the factory setting, bringing it all the way down to and adjusting the fan speed down to around 300, 325. I'm trying to change this over from a 5-ton sensible to more of a latent load, because as you can see, there's a lot of moisture in here. And we're trying to get rid of the moisture and chill down the room. And on the last week of production, because this is a purple strain, they want to bring it down to like 58 degrees inside this room at nighttime temperatures. And so have to do some very special things to the system to make it operate in a way where it really wasn't designed to do in a residential situation. So that's today's work. And let me get back to work, and I'm watching the live webinar right now by Tony Morano, Psychrometrics Part 2 on LinkedIn or Zoom. See you guys.